Ever feel like your system's architecture is getting too cluttered? In this video, we'll show you how to organize complex systems using UML package diagrams in Lucidchart. First, let's answer the fundamental question. What is a UML package diagram? These diagrams are structural visuals used to group elements like classes or nodes into cohesive, organized folders. You might wonder about package diagrams versus class diagrams. Class diagrams provide granular detail, while package diagrams group those elements to provide a simplified, high-level overview of the system. When should I use package diagrams? They are essential for organizing large-scale projects, simplifying complex structures, and managing dependencies between different modules to ensure architectural clarity and alignment. What symbols are used in UML package diagrams? The most common symbol is the package itself, which looks like a tabbed folder. You can also include notes for extra context. What types of relationships can I show in a package diagram? You can illustrate dependencies, access, and imports. Use dotted arrows to show how one package relies on another's functionality. Now that you know the basics, let's jump into our step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a package diagram. We'll start from a blank canvas and build a complete system. A user clicks the plus shapes button in Lucidchart, searches for UML, clicks to enable the library, and then drags a package shape onto the canvas. Next, add subpackages or classes inside the folder. Connect them using the arrow tool, choosing the dashed line style from the top toolbar to represent a dependency. Once your diagram is ready, invite your team to edit in real time. This ensures everyone is on the same page and helps your organization remain agile as you build. Ready to organize your system architecture? Start building your own UML package diagrams today in Lucidchart. Visit our website to learn more and sign up for free.